Hello friends, and welcome back to another full steam ahead activity. I'm Tasha, I'm a librarian at Woodstock Public Library, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make super easy, super fun snowstorm in a jar. So, if you want to learn how to make this and see what happens inside your very own jar, keep watching. Okay, so for this experiment, you're going to need 1 cup water, 2.5 cups baby oil or some other oil that you have lying around. I'm sure just regular old cooking oil would work as well. You're gonna need glitter. I have blue and silver, and then I have these little white glitter chunks. So either blue, white, or silver just to make it as wintry as possible, but really you can use whatever color you'd like. We're going to need Alka-Seltzer tablets, so this will add the really fun fizzy stuff at the end, okay? Then you're going to need 3 tablespoons of white craft paint. This is the washable kind. Food coloring, you don't have to use this, but I love using food coloring and getting a bit of color in there. And then you'll just need a mason jar. This is the perfect size, or you can use like a leftover jam jar or just whatever jar that you have at home. And then you'll just need a stir stick or a spoon. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is add your baby oil. So we got the baby oil here. Okay. Okay, so then in a separate bowl, we're gonna add our water and our 3 tablespoons of paint. So let's measure that out together. I'm just going to carefully measure 3 tablespoons of white paint. More or less carefully. Okay, then we're just gonna stir it all together, just like that. There, and now you have this nice creamy white color. Okay, so I just put the paint and water back in the measuring cup, so that's going to make it easier to pour when the time comes. In the meantime, we're going to add all the glitter that we want to our baby oil. I want to add just a couple of drops of blue food coloring. Oops. Maybe like 2. Next, we're going to add our glitter. So I'm going to start with blue. Okay, that's a lot, I think. But feel free to add more, as much as you like. And I'm going to put a couple of chunky silver ones in. Lots of them, because they can be fun little icy snowflakes. And then I'm just going to also add a couple of these really chunky glittery white ones. There we go. Okay, now I'm covered in glitter. Next I'm going to put the lid on, give this a really quick shake. Perfect! And then we're going to open it up again and very carefully add our white paint mixture. So if you can't fit all of the water, the paint water in here, don't worry about it. Like, just top it up and get as much as you can in there. It'll probably be just a little bit chunky, so that's perfect. Okay, close it again. And now here comes the fun science-y part. We're going to add our Alka-Seltzer tablet. So here we go. Let's watch this together. See what it's doing on the side here? As you can see, we have created our very own blizzard in a jar. And there you have it. That's how you can make your very own winter wonderland in a jar. And the mystery is over. That's how you make a snowstorm in a jar. I hope you guys have fun with this. If you do, send us an email. Let us know how yours turned out, what color yours turned out, if you decided to make it really interesting and make a purple snowstorm or an orange snowstorm. Let us know. In the meantime, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye.